Dragon fruits is rich in antioxidant and naturally fat free. It's high in fiber and it can maintain our blood sugar level, and immune system also can be better if you are consuming these fruits. So if you are in diet and looking for weight loss, we must have this food. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is going to be with dragon fruits. This fruit is not available all the time in market, but luckily I have got this fruit. So today I am going to prepare some milkshake with this. This is very easy recipe. There is nothing to learn anything. If kid is there at home, please give this work to them. They will feel very happy. And this milkshake you can prepare, or you can prepare any juice with this. So first of all, what I am going to do, I already wash this fruit, and now I am going to remove all the petals from this, and we need to chop this, and then I'll scoop out all the things from inside. And the best part of today's milkshake, we can cook it within 2 to 3 minutes. So do not skip the video in the middle, watch it till end, and let's get started. As you can see, I have already removed the petals. Now I am going to cut this into 2 pieces. This fruit is looking very nice because the color of these fruits, and inside this is white color. This fruit is coming into 2 color. This is white color inside. No one, the same fruit is coming, which is pink from inside, dark pink color. As we can see, some black color dots on this white color fruit, and this is actually the seeds inside. And this is quite similar with kiwi fruit. Kiwi also inside some this kind of dots is there. So I'm going to remove this now. That outside layer is not so hard, but it is very thick. So I'm going to remove this. The fruit is from inside very juicy and very watery. As you can see, it's a transparent color, not so white, and very soft also. So I am going to scoop out because I am going to put it in mixer grinder, so it doesn't matter about the shape and chop this fruit. So once it is done, I will show you the next process. I am going to try this second time because long back I tried once, but after that now I forgot the taste only. So today we will see how it tastes, and it's not available all the time in the market, because if you get also, it will be very high rate. Now in a juicer jar I am going to keep all this fruit. Few I will keep it separate because of decoration, and rest all I am going to put it inside. In here, half cup of sugar I am adding. Sugar quantity you can make it more or less, that is up to your choice. And half cup of milk I am adding. This also depend upon your choice. There is no perfect measurement for this, because if you want very thick juice, you add less milk. If you want watery like this, so you can add half cup of milk. And so I am going to pour this. Our milkshake is ready. As you can see, you can make this recipe very easily and very quickly. Our milkshake is ready. You can have this milkshake like this, or if you want to add something in this like ice cream or any cream, you can add. And now I am going to keep some fruit pieces like this. Our milkshake is ready, and I am going to keep this simple, very simple. So I am not going to add any more things. If you have ice cream or any chocolate syrup, that you can add. So this one I am going to keep for my kids, so I am going to add some chocolate in this. And yeah, our recipe is done. So hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. And for more such interesting recipes, you please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so you will get all the notification whenever I'll upload a new recipe. So I'll be back with some interesting recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye and thank you for watching.